Hello and welcome back to English with Altaf. Today we are going to help you master coffee shop English so you can have casual conversations just like native speakers.
That's right. By the end of this video, you'll be able to order coffee confidently, make small talk with the barista or a friend, and sound natural while doing it.
Let's start with the first part, ordering coffee. When you enter a coffee shop, you don't need to sound too formal. You can say, "Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please?" Or, "I'll have a latte, please." It's simple, friendly, and polite.
Exactly. And instead of saying I want, which can sound a bit direct, I'll have or can I get is softer and more natural. You can also add your preferences. For example, can I get an iced coffee with oat milk? Or I'll have a flat white, no sugar.
Good point. Also, in many coffee shops, the barista might ask you for here or to go. This simply means, do you want to drink it here or do you want to take it away? In British English, they might say, eat in or take away.
Yes, and your answer can be short. You can just say, for here please, or to go thanks. Remember, keeping it short and clear is perfectly fine.
After you order, you might hear the barista ask for your name. They'll say something like, "Can I get your name?" Or, "What's your name for the order?" Just give your name clearly. For example, it's Annie.
Sometimes they may mishear your name, especially if it's not common in that country. In that case, you can spell it or give a simpler name for the order. I sometimes use Al because it's easier.
Now, let's move on to casual conversation while you're waiting for your coffee. If you're with a friend, you can use small talk topics like the weather, weekend plans, or something about the coffee shop. For example, "This place has such a nice atmosphere," or "I love the smell of fresh coffee here."
Right. And if you're speaking to the barista, you can keep it friendly without making it too long, because they're usually busy. You could say, how's your day going? Or, is it busy today? These are polite, short questions that show friendliness.
Another natural thing natives do is respond to, "How's your day?" with something short and positive, even if they're tired. For example, "It's going well. Thanks. How about you?" Or, "Not bad, thanks."
That's important because small talk in English is often about being polite and friendly, not about sharing all your problems. Keep it light and positive unless you know the person well.
Now let's talk about how to ask about the menu. If you're not sure what a drink is, you can say, "What's in a flat white?" Or, "What's a cortado?" You can also ask, "Do you have anything with less sugar?" Or, "Do you have any dairy-free options?"
Yes, and if you want a recommendation, just ask, what do you recommend? Or, what's your most popular drink? This is a great way to sound friendly and start a short conversation.
When your coffee is ready, the barista might call out your name or say the drink. You can just respond with thanks or thank you. If you want to be extra polite, you can say, "Thanks, have a great day."
One more thing. If you accidentally spill coffee or bump into someone, a quick sorry about that or excuse me is the polite thing to say. Natives do this automatically.
Yes. And if someone says thank you to you, the natural reply is no problem or you're welcome. These small phrases make you sound confident and friendly.
Let's put it all together in a short example. Imagine this. You walk in, smile, and say, "Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please?" For here. The barista asks for your name, and you say, "It's Altaf." While waiting, you say to your friend, "This place has such a nice atmosphere." When your coffee is ready, you pick it up and say, "Thanks a lot."
That's perfect. It's short, clear, and natural. You're not using overly complicated words, but you still sound polite and confident.
Also, notice the tone. Native speakers often use a friendly, relaxed tone in coffee shops. Even if you speak slowly, keep your voice warm and positive.
And remember, you don't have to be perfect. If you forget a word or make a small grammar mistake, it's fine. The most important thing is to communicate politely and confidently.
Exactly. Confidence comes from practice. The more you visit coffee shops and try these phrases, the more natural you'll sound.
Let's also talk about how to handle mistakes. If the barista gives you the wrong drink, you can politely say, "Excuse me, I think this is not my order. I ordered a latte." It's better to say it calmly rather than sounding upset.
Yes, politeness makes a big difference. In English-speaking countries, people usually appreciate when you ask nicely. It keeps the interaction friendly.
Sometimes you might want to customize your drink. You can say, "Can I get a large cappuccino with soy milk?" Or, "Could I have an extra shot of espresso?" Using "can I" or "could I" makes it sound polite.
And if you don't want something, just say, "No sugar, please," or "No whipped cream, thanks." Short and polite.
We should also mention payment. If the cashier asks, "How would you like to pay?" You can say, "By card, please," or "Cash, please." If you want a receipt, just ask, "Can I get a receipt, please?"
After paying, a simple "thank you" is always good. Even in a busy place, a smile and thanks makes you sound friendly and respectful.
To wrap up, let's quickly list the key phrases. Can I get? I'll have. For here or to go? For here, please. To go, thanks. What's in? What do you recommend? Thanks. Thank you. No problem. You're welcome. Excuse me. Sorry about that.
And remember to keep small talk light. "How's your day going?" Or "Nice weather today." It's not about deep conversations, it's about being friendly and natural.
So today, we learned how to order coffee politely, ask about the menu, make small talk, handle mistakes, and sound like a native in a coffee shop.
That's right. If you practice these phrases and use them regularly, you'll feel more confident and comfortable in any coffee shop, anywhere in the world.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video of English with Altaf.
Take care and keep practicing your English every day. If you want, I can also create a bonus extended dialogue between a barista and a customer so your viewers hear it in action. Do you want me to add that?